How to recall email in Outlook application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Outlook application. From the left hand side, go to Send Item. Choose any one of the email from the sent items. After that, go to File option at the top left corner. Once you do, you will see the option of Resend or Recall. Click on it. Then after, from the drop-down menu, choose the option of Recall this message. After that, from this prompt, you can either choose the option of Delete or Delete unread copies. Then after, click on OK and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can recall email in Outlook. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.